Learning Tagalog Language by Wikipedia World. This time, we're going to show a chart, which is the chart on the next slide shows the consonant phonemes of Tagalog arranged according to the point and the manner of their articulation, and phonemes that are articulated at the same point appear in the same vertical column. Phonemes that are articulated in the same manner appear in the same horizontal row. As here, we have the chart that represent for the labial, labiodental, dental, alveolar, and palatal, velar, and the glottal. In this side, you see the stop voiceless, stop voice, nasal, fricative, affricate for the voiceless and also the voiceless, lateral for the voiced, and top or trill, glide for all three voiced. So actually, this point, we're going to discuss it one by one by the next videos. So that's it. I want you to see only the chart. So thank you for listening and to PDL World.